Customizing your lock screen clock widget font and color on your iPhone 16 allows you to personalize your device's appearance and make it uniquely yours. Here's how it's done. To begin, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the current display. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. To continue, tap Customize beneath the lock screen preview of the current wallpaper. Now tap on the clock widget to access customization options. To change the font, select from available font styles at the top. You can also adjust the font width using the slider bar. To change the color, choose any from the predefined color options or tap the color wheel for more options. If you do the latter, select between Spectrum or Slider View, and then drag to choose your preferred color. You can also adjust color intensity using the slider. Simply drag the slider accordingly. Once you're done customizing, tap Close, and then tap Done to save your recent changes. You can view the result by locking your device and then looking at the clock widget appearance on lock screen. If you wish to make any changes, just repeat the same steps to return to the clock widget settings and apply further customizations you like. And that's it. Customizing the clock widget on your iPhone is one of the many ways to personalize your device's appearance, improve readability, and enhance your overall user experience. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching,